in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable this note feature on Instagram. First of all, move into Play Store. In the search bar, search for the application Instagram. You need to make sure that the application Instagram is updated to the latest version. If this application is not updated to the latest version, the feature won't be showing up on your Instagram account. So once done updating your Instagram application, the next step is to move into your settings. Go to Apps. Head over to the application Instagram. Go to Stories and Cache. Here what you need to do is clear the stories of Instagram. So click on Clear Stories and then click on OK. Clearing the stories will remove your personal information of your Instagram account and also remove the bugs that you have been facing on Instagram. After clearing the stories, what you need to do is re-enter your personal information to log into your account. Well, now right above the chat inbox, you'll get to see the new feature of Instagram where it says leave a note. So how you can use this feature is you to click on this plus icon. So you can enter any text messages that you want to share it with your friends. So let's write this text. Once you are done writing the text, click on share at the top right corner. There you go, your notes has been shared to friends. And if you feel like deleting this note, what you need to do, click on your note and the option of delete note will be visible to you. Click on it. Your note has been disappeared successfully. Well, after updating your Instagram application, if this feature still doesn't show up, then what you can do is into your profile. On three horizontal line at the top corner, move into settings, head over to help, and then click on this option report a problem. Again click on report a problem. What you need to do is explain the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. So let me just write these things. And once you are done explaining the problem to Instagram, click on submit at the top right corner. The report has been sent to Instagram support. Now all you have to do is wait for their actions. They will definitely come up with some solution to the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. And this was the tutorial on how to enable note feature on Instagram. I hope you found this video informative. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.